Intro. Question hook: ever wondered if your traditional bank is crypto-friendly? Well, today, we're diving into Monzo to find out. Context: Monzo has been making waves in the banking world with its sleek app and digital-first approach. But is it a haven for crypto enthusiasts? Let's explore. Section 1: Monzo's crypto-friendly stance. Direct answer: to cut to the chase, Monzo doesn't directly support cryptocurrency transactions. You can't buy, sell, or hold crypto assets within the Monzo app. Reasons: regulatory compliance. Monzo is a regulated bank, and dealing with cryptocurrencies can involve complex regulatory hurdles. Risk management. Banks often prefer to avoid the volatility and potential risks associated with cryptocurrencies. Focus on traditional banking. Monzo's core business is providing traditional banking services, and expanding into crypto might dilute their focus. Alternative options. Crypto-specific exchanges. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading features. Hybrid platforms. Some fintech companies combine traditional banking with crypto services, providing a more integrated experience. Section 2: Monzo's indirect crypto support. Open banking. Monzo supports open banking, which allows you to connect your account to third-party financial apps. This can indirectly benefit crypto users in a few ways. Crypto tax software. You can use open banking to connect your Monzo account to crypto tax software and automatically track your cryptocurrency transactions. Crypto lending. Some lending platforms allow you to use your crypto assets as collateral to borrow fiat currency, which you can then transfer to your Monzo account. Card payments. While Monzo doesn't directly support crypto payments, you can use your Monzo card to spend fiat currency that you've acquired through cryptocurrency trading. Section 3: Security and privacy considerations. Monzo's security measures. Monzo takes security seriously and has implemented various measures to protect your funds and personal information. Crypto wallet security. If you're using a crypto wallet, ensure it has robust security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage options. Scams and phishing. Be cautious of scams and phishing attempts targeting crypto users. Never share your private keys or sensitive information with anyone. Section 4: Future outlook. Regulatory changes. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving. If regulations become more favorable, banks like Monzo might reconsider their stance on crypto. Customer demand. If there's a strong demand from Monzo's customers for crypto-related features, the bank might be more inclined to explore options. Emerging technologies. Technologies like blockchain and stablecoins could pave the way for new financial products that integrate cryptocurrencies more seamlessly. Conclusion. Summary: while Monzo doesn't offer direct crypto support, it can indirectly benefit crypto users through open banking and other features. Decision-making. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors like security, convenience, and regulatory compliance. Call to action. If you're looking for a dedicated crypto platform, explore options like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to discuss this topic further, leave a comment below. Until next time.